Yeah, good afternoon, and we welcome all the participants for joining this webinar. I'm Nitin Khandelwal. I'm taking care of all this e-commerce project in Gem & Jewelry Export Promotion Council. And with me, Mr. Haneet Kaushal from eBay, who is a category head for jewelry, and Mr. Saurabh Badba, who is an acquisition head, along with his team at eBay, has joined. I welcome all the participants from GJPC. And before going here and there, let us know that there is a very big opportunity of retail exports through e-commerce. And as we know that during this pandemic, we all have experienced that e-commerce is the big thing which has helped us a lot in following the protocols of this COVID pandemic. And this has grown like anything, and it has very good potential for coming years. So internationally also, there is a very good potential of e-commerce, and through eBay being a very good marketplace, having potential and reach to 190 countries with 183 million buyers across the globe. eBay is a very good platform which can provide you access to all the important markets to take your jewelry to, and get sales directly, the B2C commerce, B2C sales, and that will help you in getting started in exports business. So without wasting any of your time, let us go to the presentation which Haneetji and Saurabhji along with the team will give to us. And then we will go for a Q&A session wherein we will be addressing all your questions and queries so that we can help you out. Before that, just a thing that I wanted to tell you कि काउंसिल ने अभी एक कनेक्ट eBay के साथ एक एग्रीमेंट किया है, and in that agreement there are certain benefits which the council members will get. So we will also get to know during this presentation what are the benefits which council members will get above other people who are joining it. So let us start the presentation, and I invite Haneetji, Saurabhji and his team to give the presentation. Haneetji.
Thank you, Nitin, for the brief introduction, and I welcome all the committee members on the behalf of GJPC and eBay. So thanks for sparing time for this presentation. So in the next 1 hour, we are going to present what all opportunities are there. हम अपना business कैसे export में और increase कर सकते हैं? What are the opportunities, ways क्या हैं उसको increase करने के? And what target audience we are talking about? So all these things me along with my team will be covering in next 1 hour. Next slide, please, sir. So once we are talking about eBay, just to give you a small background about eBay, that where we stand currently into the world's market. So currently we are having more than 183 million active buyers. So that this data is basis Q2, and हम सबको पता है कि Q2 में when there was a second wave of COVID, so there was a disruption into the business. So during that disruption also, we maintained the number of buyers which were actively buying from eBay. So that was 183 million. Now, if we talk about markets, कि हम यहाँ पर इंडिया में बैठे-बैठे दुनिया में कहाँ-कहाँ तक पहुँच सकते हैं, then we are talking about 190 markets. So these are the 190 different countries from where these 183 buyers belonged to. And one of the interesting fact, जब हम बात करते हैं कि हम यूएस या यूके की साइट पे बेचेंगे, हमारे पास कितना धंधा आएगा. So just to tell you कि only on eBay हमारा जो 59% revenue है वो international market से आता है. It means cross border trade. Buyer और seller दोनों both are into the different countries. So 59% are international revenue, and if you talk about that how much business we did, then Q3 we did around 25 point something billion dollars on the USA market. So this is the overall business of eBay. So this is a kind of the scope we are looking at, while sitting in India, while sitting in our offices or from homes, where we can reach 183 million buyers across 190 markets which are giving 59% of the international revenue, and the total GMV was 25 billion. Next slide, please, Saurabh. Now I am coming directly to the eBay cross-border trade from India. That what is our current penetration? कितने लोग हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं? Then more than 15,000 sellers across all the categories are currently selling from India to abroad. When I am talking about abroad, then the different markets of eBay. So once we are talking about eBay, then eBay has a different site for each country. For example, eBay.com is for USA, eBay.uk for the UK, and then so on for all the different major countries. And our major business is penetrated into USA, UK, Australia, Germany, Canada. So these are our main markets on which we are working and currently, and while going into the presentation, I will explore more. So currently we are empowering our MSMEs, SMEs, and the different brands who are currently working with us. We are having the support of the local BDs who will educate our sellers from the scratch that how to start business on eBay, whether you are currently running any e-commerce business or not. Despite of all these things, we will help you out to set up your shop and set up your eBay account. There are marketing research tools which will help you, which will give you the insights कि कौन सा product कहाँ पर कौन सी market में बिक रहा है, क्या उसका ASP है, उसके क्या different insights हैं जो हमें mention करने जरूरी हैं. Then we are already having our integrated shipping solution. Means you need not to worry that how to ship the product. There are different shipping partners जो हमारे साथ associated and that include DHL, FedEx, Bombino, Blackship, and all those things. And what overall in a nutshell, what we are enabling is seamless selling experience. That you need not to worry about your business. We have to worry only about two things, that we have to devote time. We have to present our product in such a way that buyers should understand all the minorities of the product and of the quality of the product. So on the way, in the nutshell, we are providing the seamless selling experience. Sorry, now we are talking about the benefits. What are the key benefits once you start your business on eBay? Then for the first benefit, we already talked about that customers from 190 markets can see your product. So this is an power of the e-commerce, that you are sitting somewhere. This is the power of internet, that it is very easy that if we do have the photographs, if we do know the dimensions and the specifications of the product, we only have to list the item, and internet will take it to the mainstream and to the buyers, which are the concerned buyers about your product. So the first is 190 markets we can reach out. Second is all the payments are into advance. So you can see into your eBay account that payment has been received, only then you have to ship your product. This is a major point and the main worry about selling on any of the platforms, कि वहां पर कुछ भी होता है तो मनी 45 दिन 60 दिन के लिए हमारी स्टक हो जाती है, पर यहाँ पर आपके अकाउंट में सीधी मनी आपको दिखेगी और जैसे ही प्रोडक्ट डिलीवर होता है, you will that is getting transferred into your bank account. The third one is a lower setup cost. I would say not lower. I think lower we are saying because you have to devote the time. Otherwise, there is no setup cost. You only have to devote your time and some specifics about your product. You should spend time to know and to list those products. So only time cost is your setup cost. Then again, the installation from the seasonality. Currently, there might be that might not concern to our jewelry category, but it happens with many of the other categories wherein due to the climate change, if you are selling something which can't be wear into the winters and summers, so those kind of things, yeah, you are safe from all those seasonality kind of things. Then more business, obviously, once we are reaching out to the new marketplace and reaching out to the new buyer base, then definitely there would be a more business. And finally, ultimately, the India's vision, that is make in India for the world. So jewelry, Indian jewelry is already known and very popular in the international market, and that's what we are going to do. Currently, they are buying Indian products from their local vendors, which are having multi-layer of different commissions and all those stuff. We are removing all those things and directly to the customer. You are reaching out directly to the customers, that is not C2C, even D2C, that you are reaching over there. Next slide. Now, whenever we talk about कि e-commerce मैंने start करना है या कुछ भी मैंने internet के ऊपर अपना business start करना है, then there are three important pillars of every e-commerce business. The first one is marketplace, कि मैं कहां पर बेचूं, क्या मैं अपनी वेबसाइट स्टार्ट करूं या फिर मैं सीधा मार्केटप्लेस पे पहुंचूं जहां पर उनके खुद के ऑलरेडी ट्रस्टेड बायर्स हैं, जहां पर पूरा सिस्टम है उनका, और वहां पर अपना प्रोडक्ट रिप्रेजेंट करूं. So as a marketplace, we are providing you a platform of eBay which already have all the requirements of the e-commerce and having a very successful career in last 25 years. Second, the major concern is how would I get the payments? Now the buyers who are sitting into UK, USA, Germany, and then Australia and then Canada, all the 5 countries are having different currencies over there. How would I get the payment? How that payment would be getting transferred to my bank account? So again, this is a very seamless experience over there. eBay has its own payment gateway which will access to all the currencies and will transfer all the currencies into USD. And then we already had a tie-up with the Payoneer in India, which will help you to transfer the dollar amount into your bank account at a very nominal fees. And the third important pillar of every e-commerce company, that is logistic. Now you have a marketplace, you sold the product, got the payment also. Now the third important thing is how to ship that product now. So that is why eBay Global Shipping Program is there, which is having all the logistic partner support at a different levels, which are providing different services at a different price point. And that is purely seller's decision through which company, at which price point, and which services they wanted to take to ship their item. And that you have to only book over the EGS and they will come at your place and will pick it up. Just to give you a small background that how iron CBT jewelry category has grown in last few quarters. So I'm starting from Q1 2020. So in Q1 2020, when we hit by COVID by March, so that is why there is a degrowth of 6%. And again, Q2 2020 due to COVID, there is a degrowth of minus 65%. But later on, when we revive our business, there was a strong growth which we have observed quarter on quarter. And this growth is continuing even into Q2 and Q3, which has not been mentioned over there. Second, if we talk about that, what all categories are there which are contributing to the overall jewelry, then 50% is our fine jewelry. Fine jewelry consists of diamond and then precious metal without stone and silver. I'm sorry, just a second. Saurabh, is there any background noise coming from my side, or my voice is clear?
Your voice is
clear. Your voice is clear. Your voice is clear.
Thanks. Sorry, there is some labor work is going on nearby. Okay. Category when we talk about, then 50% हमारी जो fine jewelry है, that is consists of plain precious metal without stone, that consists of plain gold, plain silver, then our diamond jewelry, which is diamond studded jewelry, also diamond studded into gold, diamond studded into silver. All these things are coming into fine jewelry. Then 30% of our business is into loose diamond and gemstones. You are well aware about this category in depth. And the 20% is from the fashion jewelry, imitation jewelry, and the customized jewelry. You can say that. When we talk about what are our initiatives, which are our top product lines, then first of all, we are working very aggressively on diamonds. As everyone is aware, more than 90% of diamond, which is selling worldwide, is getting cut or polished in India. So that is why our primary focus is to increase our penetration into the diamond jewelry. There is another reason also, because of the high ASP, there are higher margins and there is lesser of, you can say, the headache of managing all the things. So diamond is our first priority. Second priority is men's jewelry. In last few years, it has already, it's been always said that the jewelry is category for women, for females. And mostly, yes, even I agree on that. But in last few years, we have seen a tremendous growth into the men's jewelry also. Means male people who are currently buying for themselves, or the female buyers who wanted to buy some jewelry for the gifting purpose or for some other purpose for men's. That is why we are also focusing on the men's jewelry now. And that include chains, then rings, bracelets, etc. Then precious metal jewelry. Again, our focus was earlier not into this category, but because in last 2.5 years, we are highly focusing on precious metal without stone jewelry, wherein we are selling plain gold, plain silver, and there is a great demand. And if we see our offline export in last 10 years, you must have observed the demand of the silver has increased tremendously. We can see the data even on the GJPC site. So that is why we are also focusing on the same. And last but not the least, loose gemstones. Again, there are focused gemstone categories in which we are dealing. So I will be covering the gemstone part also, all these categories in detail into the coming slides. So as stated by me earlier also, that fine jewelry is one of our biggest category. And in fine jewelry, the major product lines are diamond rings, bracelets, followed by necklace and pendants. But we are having the highest penetration, that is 54% within fine jewelry. So overall jewelry ka 50% is fine jewelry. Within fine jewelry, diamond rings contribute around 54% of our business. And most of our business is coming from the price band that is between $100 to $1,000. It means all the mid to high ASP product lines. And I trust from this figure, at least you should not have that question that the buyer sitting in USA, will they spend $500, $800 or $1,000 from to buy a jewelry piece from India? Yes, they will. And then under precious metal stone also, the plain gold chains followed by bracelets are our top selling product lines. And into men's jewelry, the fastest growing product line on iron CBT, wherein we have observed the growth of 60% year on year. When we talk about loose diamond and gemstones, then the top gemstones are emerald, ruby, sapphire, opal. Then the diamond, even we have started color diamond also in the last 1 year, and we have seen a very good response into the color diamonds as well. If you talk about current India's rank on .com site, कि globally हम कितना बेच रहे हैं, हमारे competition में कौन-कौन है, then we are at a third number. And the first number again USA, because they are selling a lot, their own sellers. The second is China. But why China? China is only because of the fashion jewelry. But they are not into fine jewelry, which include diamond, precious metal without stone, and the diamond jewelry. They are not there. And 50% sales, which is happening over there into USA of the lab created or the rough cut loose diamond, is from iron CBT sellers on the global platform. And then fashion jewelry also are non-product lines, which are currently working really good. That is Kundan, polka jewelry, and then Bollywood jewelry. Majority of this Bollywood jewelry is from Mumbai and then from Delhi. When we talk about, now I am talking about the first category on which we are targeting, that is precious metal without stone, plain gold or the plain silver jewelry. So global export, if we talk about, then the global export of this category is around $130 billion. And India export around $13.8 billion. So India's rank is 3. Again, that make us very viable, that India is Indian sellers can play a good game and can do a good export on the global market throughout the eBay. And if you look at the growth rate also, then from Q3 till Q3 in 2021, we have continuously been growing. And again, our target for 2022 is also included precious metal without stone. Few of the facts are the opportunity for the iron sellers. So currently, precious metal without stone contributes only 15% of the jewelry sales. And our contribution is only 1%. So overall, US side पे या over globally, जितना भी हम export कर रहे हैं, किसी भी side पे कितनी भी jewelry बेच रहे हैं, उसका 15% is precious metal without stone. But जो country which is known for their precious metal without stone jewelry has contribution lesser than 1%. Wherein all the other categories, like if you talk about diamond, then we are having penetration around 7 to 8%. Loose diamond and gemstones, more than 30% penetration. This is the only category जहां पर हमारी penetration सबसे कम है. इसका मतलब कि उस मार्केट में माल बिक रहा है, पर हमारे सेलर्स का सबसे कम है. वो क्यों है? क्योंकि अभी तक हमने वहां पर अपनी शॉप एस्टेब्लिश ही नहीं की थी. So this is the way. That is why we wanted to take the help of this opportunity. Second, large headroom available and very lower supply from the IMCBT sellers. तो सिर्फ हमने अपनी दुकान ही नहीं खोलनी, we have to update our products, we have to upload our products over there. And low making charges make us more choiceful for the international sellers. If you are aware, then into US and UK, I am talking about particularly USA. In USA, if you are going to buy any jewelry, you have to pay 25 to 30% only making charges. But when it comes to India, our average making charges are 8 to 10% only. And that too, the labor are very skillful, which is not available, which might be very expensively available into international markets. And highest penetration is into yellow gold, that is 51%, followed by sterling silver, which is 23%. So that is a GMP penetration. देखिए gold obviously महंगा है तो उसकी penetration high है, और due to high ASP also उसकी penetration high है. Sterling silver as compared to gold सस्ता है तो उसकी penetration, number of products silver के ज्यादा बिक रहे हैं, but penetration is 23%. If we talk about the core categories into this category, then necklace and pendants, which are contributing around 50% of our sales, followed by bracelets and then rings and earrings. हमारा price band, the focus price band is $100 to $500, जहां से हमें 41% का sales volume आ रहा है. And if you talk about the gold purity, that which gold is selling a lot, तो unlikely India जहां पर 22, 20 और 18 कैरेट सबसे ज्यादा चलता है, वहां पर 14 कैरेट गोल्ड सबसे ज्यादा बिक रहा है. Saurabh, can you take it ahead? You are on mute.
I'll take it ahead. Okay. So as you have seen the potential of precious metal without stone, now we have already said that our core product is on diamond, and we have the highest potential in that category. So the penetration is around 50% we have on diamond jewelry, and that is covering also fine jewelry. So you can see the growth which is coming in 2020 to 2021. That is, I have already told that our penetration in diamond is quite high. But when you see the year-on growth after pandemic, why the growth has also come? Because we see the growth year-on-year was coming earlier as well. But after the pandemic, when we see the offline stores and all that are not that much showing results, people are moving to online also, and that is also showing an uplift for us. And that is also showing uplift in the overall business which we are expecting from overseas market or in the domestic market front as well. So if we talk about the price brand share, as I've already told, Anit has already told in the last slide, that we have the major penetration in $100 to $1,000, and you see the graph, major graph, where we see the 41% of the market share is coming in that price segment only, which is computed of 1 to 250, 250 to 100, or 100 to 1,000. So people who are in the overseas market are not skeptical to buy that high amount of products, because the trust factor they have on eBay, and the trusted buyers are there who are already getting the services from different sellers of India as well. So we have that market base, and you can utilize that as well. And if you see the growth drivers, as we have already told, we are not already there in the markets of US. We are also available in the markets like DE, UK, AU, FR. And these are the geo markets where our penetration is growing day by day. So we are not only focusing on US, that is a major market. I know 85% of the business are coming from there, but we are focusing on other countries, and people with us are growing in that countries as well. So that is the market you can say as a growth driver. When you will come on the platform, you'll see the results are not coming from one country. As we have already told that we have a market reach of 190 countries that will be coming out on to our other platforms as well, which is on DE, UK, and FR. And increasing the supply. Why we are demanding a supply into $50 to $1,000? Because that is a particular segment where we see the highest amount of result which is coming, which I've already told that 41% of the business is coming out there. So our focus to drive that thing in a particular segment, so the maximum result can come out from that particular price band as well. So we see the double-digit growth on these kind of products: necklace, pendant, bracelets, and loose diamond. These are the products which are highly sellable in our geo markets as well, which are UK, France, Italy, DE. As we have seen, the growth is coming from the geo markets. We have seen these are the product lines which are growing at a faster pace. So we are putting the inputs on that front key that we will remain the highest in that particular category as well. And if you talk about the dominance, as we have already told that we are very good in the rings, and we always want that penetration of our ring sale should be high. So that is also a key driver for us to get the growth in 2021 as well. So if what we have not focused earlier, or maybe जो हमने ज़्यादा focus नहीं किया, but we'll be focusing on 2021, which we have focused right now as well. The building the buyer trust through 100% certified jewelry. As now our sellers are also putting the jewelry which are IGI certified, and that is also getting converted, and obviously they are getting the good feedbacks and results on that as well. So we are also moving that buyer trust will, if there is a certification, the buyer trust will also be high. Yes, the buyer also have a trust on eBay. Selling, obviously, that is, the buyer will have a satisfaction that from eBay, that is good, and the seller who is selling that a product, particular product, will be trusted by eBay only. So to create more trust on the buyers, will be focusing on the certified, which is giving us a more uplift on the business as well, and to sellers as well. Focus on the transparent experience to global buyers, like shipping, 100% tracking, the return policy, the quality. For example, why we have said 3 high quality images, because when we are sitting offline, we see different ways. But when we are buying online and we are selling a $1,000 products, we want the clarity of that image, so that buyer will not be skeptical to buy that product. He'll be ready, because when he'll see the images from 3 angles, he'll be see that how it looks and how it feels. Even though that will give you a more uplift and visibility in that factor, and which will give us the more results outcoming if we follow these practices. And if we talk about the third key focus, that will be geo, because as I already said, that US market was the major fun for us, but we have seen a very good growth in the geo markets. So that's why our focus in the coming years for geo market as well, because we have seen the demand of particular jewelry in global market is turning high from eBay as well. So this is all about the product. I just moving to the next slide. This is the hot question we always get from sellers when we talk about pricing. How should I portray my pricing while selling on eBay? Yes, the suggestion will come from our end only, but the actual price will be set by sellers only. When we are exporting the product, I know the gold is cheaper than India from some of the countries, but still we are penetrating in that countries on a higher base. How? Because when we see our making charges, as Hanith has already told, that lower labor charges can give us the uplift on that. Even though when you see, I have given an example of price calculation. This is a product which is listed on eBay with our seller, and he has put in price, and I have if I take the 22 carat price of right now, that is 22,000, making charges, that is approx 8%, which I have given as a median price. And then the GST will be charged. The shipping charge is also there, 15%. And then after that, eBay and Payoneer combined charges will be around 15%. So the total cost which is coming around, that is around 29K. And the price which the seller has listed, that is around 37.5K. And approximately on a single price, they are getting a profit of 20%. And if I say, that is a huge margin if I talk about online market. And on the high price brand also, they are getting the good results. And you can see around, if you see here only, the 100 products are already being sold by this seller, and they are getting the benefit out of that as well. And and the last time you can also see, you can have the GST benefits. If you are exporting the product, you can have the GST benefits as well. The reversal of that 3% could be there for you, and you'll be charged on 0%. So that is a good uplift for from the seller point of view as well. Now, if you see the calculation, you can see the profitability when somebody is coming on the platform of eBay or any online portal, because this will give you the enhancement, because the middlemen, which Hanith has already covered, that the middlemen which are working in with us, like you will be manufacturing, there is a buying agent, then after you are exporting, then there is a wholesaler, the retailer market. So we are cutting down the gaps, and we are getting the profit straightly out from there, because the end buyer is coming to buy from you on eBay platform. So which everyone I think is waiting for, the exclusive benefits for GGIBC members. When we have signed an MOM with GGIBC, so there are some benefits which are giving to the GGIBC sellers. You can see out here that there is a, if you are a GGIBC member, what benefits you are getting, and if that non-member will be there, and that benefits not be there for that particular seller. So eligible for special incentive programs with discounts on eBay fees. There are many incentive programs, like we do a promoted listings. There are certain kind of programs which will help you to enhance the business, which eBay is always driving in the quarters. So your enrollment will be there, and that you'll be included in that particular programs. but as a GJP, if you are a GJPC member, so that will help you to enhance the business while you are coming as a seller on eBay. Now, if we talk about the second advantage, that is the free listings for US, UK, and AU for 6 months. Now, if you can see on the right, there is a fee of 0.35 per listing that will be charged for per month. So approximately, if you are doing around if you say 500 listings, that will cost you around 18,000 rupees. That we are saving on a 6-month basis. You'll be getting no charge on the listings. You'll be applied for the free listings, and you can list the product and you can taste the business of eBay when you will come with us to a GJPC member. Third, the main opportunity where we are exploring, you will be giving the free basic store subscription for 3 months. What is basic store? This store, I'll come on the next slide that what are the benefits of getting the store, but I am just covering that what the things you will be getting in the store. When you are having a store, you'll be getting the 500 free listings per month. When you are coming on eBay and you're listing the product, you don't have to pay till 500 listings. That will be free for you when you are having a eBay basic store with you. Access to the promotion features. Promotion features क्या होते हैं? तो जैसे आप डिस्काउंट लगाते हैं, there are many kind of discounts like buy one get one free. You can I can show you that discount as well. Sorry. If you can see the extra 5% off on 2 items, these kind of discounts you can make on your eBay actually website, because eBay will be giving you an ID where you can create these discounts and promote your products to get the more visibility and sellers bias to your platform. So for monthly charge of that particular store is around 27.595 per month if you do go for a monthly subscription, and it is for yearly subscription it is around 21.95. But for GJC member, if you are coming us as an onboard, you'll be getting that for 3 months exclusively free. So there will be no charge for you for that basic store for 3 months. Adding benefits, what you are getting from us, that is promotions and marketing. Obviously, as I already told, that you'll be participating in many incentive programs. So you'll be promoting eBay along with GJPC will be promoting you to the platform to have the number of sales conversions, so that you can have the listing which you are putting on eBay, you can have the conversion out of there, and the business you are expecting from eBay, that will help you in coming out from that promotions only. The account manager support, as we have already discussed, will be giving you the local BD support. The people who is working with us from years, my team is working with me, so they'll be helping you out how to portray your product on eBay, because coming on the platform and doing the listing will not get you the result. But coming on the platform, how to do the listings to get the results, that will be guided from our team, and they will help you on easy onboarding the process. eBay seller protection, the third point. Well, obviously, as you are onboarded with us, there may be a cases where you can find the buyer is asking for something, but eBay will protect you on that particular front, because the support and the account restriction where you can expect after not fulfilling the things, that will be protected from our side when we will be coming as a member from GJPC. Exclusive promotional page. We are creating a page for a GJPC member, and we'll be showcasing the products, and we'll be promoting that products on eBay and GJPC also. So there is an exclusive promotional page, landing page we are creating with GJPC for eBay sellers, so that your product can be highlighted. Fifth, the store designing and catalog. So we'll be helping the store which we are giving you as a 3 months. So there is a designing part to it, which can actually enhance the visibility. Why it enhance the visibility? Because from that front, when somebody is coming at your store, they can see and they can review the products in a one go, and that will highlight or enhance your product visibility as well. So these are the features when you are coming as a GJPC members, that is the additional benefits you are getting. So now I come to this eBay store, for example, which I was talking. What are the benefits you are getting on eBay store? Earlier I already covered that you will be given the 500 listings every month. That will be given to you when you are opting for a basic store. But after 250 listings, the discounted rate for your particular listing will be there. In last slide, you have seen for doing per listing, you'll be charged 0.35. But when you are having a basic store, you'll be charged only 0.10. So that is an additional advantage of insertion fee also. After the 500 listings, you will not be charged much. Vacation mode. Seller, for example, you are traveling out station and your listings are live. You cannot fulfill the orders that time. And there is no option you can fulfill orders. So if you are not having a store, you have to down your listings. But if you are having a store, you can put that into a vacation mode. So that vacation will be vacation mode will be highlighted to the buyer as well. अगर कोई बार आपके प्रोडक्ट पे पर्टिकुलरली आएगा तो उसको दिखेगा कि दिस सेल इज ऑन वेकेशन मोड. यू आर फॉर एग्जांपल यू आर आउट फ्रॉम 15th October to 30th October. उसको दिखेगा तो your order will be shipped after 1 November. So the buyer is also satisfied and your listings are also live. The visibility cannot be down on that front as well. So when you are having a store with us, and the promotion features which I have already highlighted, their stores of like 10% flat discount you can provide, or you can provide a plus 7% discount if you can buy 2 items. Buy one get one. You can also provide buy $100 product. You can have a 5% discount. So these are the combination of discounts which me and my team will be helping you to guide that how to proceed further for that. And the seventh one will be the final value fee discount. Obviously, the charge which we are getting, you'll be getting the 9.5% fee if you are having an eBay store with us. So that will be also giving you a certain point of discount on eBay fees as well. Web address and product catalogs. This eBay store will work as your website also, because you'll be designing it. It will show you as a www.ebaystores.com/your name. Whatever the name you are putting for your store name, that will give that will be shown there. And obviously you can use as a link as a website when you're sharing with someone that, for example, some buyer is asking for that, do you have any visibility in US? You can share that link and somebody can buy from that as well. That will, you can promote your particular eBay store as well. So product research tool. The last point, the Terapic tool. This is an insight tool where you can find what keywords you should put, what are the high visibility keywords, what are the item specifics you should put. These are the insights where you can see how to enhance your visibility on eBay. You are doing the listings, but it is not getting visibility. So these are the tools which can help you where you are wrong and can guide you that how these insights will help you to promote your products on eBay platform. So these are the major things where you are getting as a benefit on eBay store. And this is 3 months free for you if you coming as a GGIPC member on board with eBay. Now it is a kind of a sample store look I have am showing you. You can see there are categories which are coming at the left. If somebody is particularly watching for a ring, there are, you can see midi ring, nail ring, 3-finger ring. So he don't have, because might be you'll be live with thousands of the products. If somebody has come to your platform and he's finding particularly a range in this, he want this particular ring or band ring, something ring. So he can click on that particular thing and see the view of that particular rings he want. So these kind of views you can create and you can opt for your store when you are coming as an eBay store. So that will be very delightful experience for eBay. So for eBay buyers, so they'll also having a more trust on you, and the visibility end is also high if you are creating such kind of stores for your buyers. Last, we have already covered that how eBay platform works. We have already covered that how eBay and Payoneer charges will work. The calculation of the jewelry also is there. We have already covered the potential, how potential eBay is, and how potential jewelry model is this, and how we are in which product line or which key products we have, what are the price bands we have, that we have covered. Now, last point, where we are going, how we ship the product. After getting the sale, there are, if I cover, there are 4 kind of solutions. One is EGS service, which already Anita has covered. There is a solution which is given by eBay. We have partners like DHL, FedEx, Bombino, which are with EGS service. There are nominal pricing of that particular service, and you can opt for that service. After enrolling on the eBay, you can opt for the EGS service as well for your shipping solutions. But as we see that most of our sellers who are also doing on who are already doing eBay business on eBay with us are using the India Post services as well, because they are actually the cheaper one, and The solution is there, and even though you can go to your nearest post office to ship your products as well. After that, there are some private logistics who are also giving these services to actually not only eBay, to other e-commerce platforms as well. You can opt for that, like BBC Logistics, FedEx, USPS. That can help you to ship your products through India to other markets as well, which is US, UK, and Australia, and other markets as well. And last, we are not restricting seller to that use the EGS service or India Post. If you have a shipping solution with you that you are already exporting and you have the shipping solution of your own, you can just use that solution as well. And obviously, you can utilize that particular benefit of going your shipment through your services to the overseas market. So these are the shipping solutions we have. And thank you for this. And any questions now, Nitinji, if anyone want to ask, please share that.
Yeah,
We will happy to answer to you.
thank you, Saurabh and Aniji, for a wonderful presentation. And before going to any further for question and answer session, मैं आपको जो अभी सौरभ जी ने बताया कि काउंसिल का एक माइक्रो साइट क्रिएट किया है ईबे ने, which will get you more visibility and help you get more business. So वो एक बार मैं आपको शेयर करके दिखाना चाहता हूँ. That is now live in almost all the regions except USA and UK, which will soon be live, maybe in another 10 days time. It will be live. And एक बार मैं आपको वो दिखा देता हूँ अपना स्क्रीन शेयर करके.
I'll just stop the screen, sir.
Yeah, please. So if you can see, this is the page which is now live. On this page, this is made in India. So on this page, जो ज्वेलरी आपको दिख रही है, ये सब काउंसिल मेंबर्स की ज्वेलरी है, जो कि ईबे के ऊपर जिन्होंने अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को लिस्ट किया है. तो ये इसका ये ईबे के डोमेन पे ही है, ebay.com. किसी भी ईबे बायर को इस पे आने के लिए कुछ अलग से कोई रजिस्ट्रेशन या कुछ और डॉक्यूमेंटेशन कुछ नहीं करना है. They just have to come to this place and they will find all the jewelry manufactured in India by the council members only. So they will have a trust कि council के member हैं, जिन्होंने अपना एक प्रॉपर compliances करते हैं, वो लोग हैं जो कि आके अपना एक ज्वेलरी यहाँ पे जेम्स एंड ज्वेलरी सेल कर रहे हैं. सो इसमें एक सबसे बिगेस्ट बेनिफिट जो होगा आपको वो ये होगा, we will be promoting this site as well. eBay and council both will be promoting this site, and the biggest benefit that you get will be you will be competing against the council members. So once the buyer comes to this site, whosoever he is buying, he will be buying from India and he will be buying from a council member. So Haniji, if you want to tell something on this or which I have missed or something want to add?
No, I think you have already covered all the major points. Although that would also help us if our direct buyers are there, and if you wanted to send a link to them, that if you wanted to purchase any sort of jewelry only from the council sellers, that would also help you. That's it.
Yeah, sure. So now I would like to mark this floor open for Q&A session. So आपका किसी का भी कोई सवाल हो तो आप रेज हैंड कर सकते हैं. We will allow you to unmute yourself and ask your question, or you can post your question in Q&A session. Q&A section.
I think there are already few questions in the chat box.
Yeah. Shall I read out the questions and you can answer?
हाँ सौरभ जी बिल्कुल, please.
Hani, shall I read out the questions and you can answer?
Yes.
Okay. So the first question is the custom and duties.
Okay, so in regard to custom and duties for exporting, there isn't any custom and duty which is implemented on the Indian sellers. But now, if we talk about what are the customs and duties for the foreign country, for example, into USA up to $800, there isn't any import duty. But post $800, there is an import duty. So that we have to inform our sellers or inform our buyers on the page. Once you are listing any product below $800, you need not to mention anything. If you are listing any product above $800, you only need to mention that custom and duties will be beared by buyer. So that is one thing which we have to include into all of our listings. And for UK and Germany, there isn't again not any import restriction on the price point, because now they are putting direct tax on all the transactions which are coming from outside UK or outside Germany. And that is flat for all the countries worldwide. Second question, I think from Pooja ji.
Sales return, sir.
Okay, sales return, this is the biggest worry into our e-commerce industry when it comes to the domestic business. But when it comes to the international business and into the categories like jewelry, wherein most of the sales is happening very thought through sale. So that is not something कि किसी को पसंद आया उसने ले लिया. अगर किसी ने $500 की ring लेनी है, they would explore many things, only then they will buy. So that is why, and they usually talk to you. So they have a direct channel through eBay messages, they can talk to you directly and can do the request for customization and all. So that is why our sales return ratio is lesser than 2%. But yes, 2% returns would be there. And that is a part of every e-commerce company.
The third question is, please share the contact details of personal meeting for further discussion. Nitin ji, can you please?
Yeah, we will share the contact details of all the council connects. तो आपने जो council के connect हैं आपके region के, वो आपको share कर दिए जाएंगे. आप अपने region में जो भी आपके membership देखते हैं उनसे आप connect कर सकते हैं और वो आपको पूरा guide करेंगे किस तरह से आपको आगे onboard करना है.
How much should be my profit margin? Should I keep so that I can earn profits after eBay commission, shipping charges and other deduction?
I think yes, you should keep the pricing after including all the things that include your eBay charges, Payoneer charges, and then your shipping charges as well. But in starting, we suggest to keep your margins low. I'm not asking to be into a loss, but in starting, keep your margins low, because it is a kind of our new shop into a new market. So I wanted more and more buyers to come. Once we are having a very healthy feedback score of 50 or 100, then we can also think about the higher margins. Because currently, अभी हमने अपनी दुकान खोली है. It's a kind of the marketing cost कि थोड़ा सा buyer को और eBay को कुछ देने की जरूरत नहीं है. We have to give that benefit to the buyer so that we can increase our buyer base.
The next question is, how can we integrate GGFBC with eBay account? Nitin, you have already answered that you will be getting the contacts of particular persons of your region, and you can they can help us with the account for eBay. And again, the question: what are the return policies? I think Hanit already have covered this thing, that the policies front.
So,
how much total charge?
We do have a very open policy that you can have open it for the returns and not returns as well. But we usually see wherein seller is opting for a option that returns not accepted, their sales are never picked up. And this is common in the e-commerce company as well. If you are also buying something, then we always firstly see whether the returns are accepted or not. So that is something that we need to be very mindful while offering the policy to the buyers.
And just to add on that point, only on returns only, if you are accepting a return, and if we talk about overseas market, the return ratio is quite less, because when somebody is waiting for that particular product for 15 days and he is getting the product and he is buying from India and he is paying in advance, he is very willing to buy that product. The cases of return can be two. For example, somebody has ordered X and by mistake you have shipped Y, then it's a mistake on a seller's end. So you have to admit that mistake and you can have the return back and you have to pay the return shipping charges. But somebody is saying after receiving that, I didn't like the product, or he is saying that, or she is saying that I got the better price from somewhere else. So that is not a seller mistake, and obviously the buyer will pay the return shipping charges, and that you can communicate with the buyer when they'll open any return cases. The next, how much total charges will be there? This is already covered. That in the slide we have already covered that there are different type of charges. Like the charges will be of first your manufacturing charges, second the GST, and third would be the eBay fees and charges. The shipping charges are there after that. After that, you can put your prices, and that would be like calculating your charges and creating your selling price as well.
So I think Saurabh ji here they want to know the charges of the eBay and PayPal Payoneer. So that is below 15%.
Yes, that is approx to 15% only. Yes.
Correct.
So who will do the custom clearance in foreign country? This already the first question we have, that in foreign country the custom clearance would be bear by buyer only. If somebody if the product is stuck in customs, we will be clearly mentioning in our listings that the custom and the duties in the buyer country will be borne by buyer only. Again, the return policy, that is the same question we have already answered.
सौरभ जी इसमें एक चीज जाननी थी, जैसे तो ये ऑटोमेटिकली आपके एंड पे है वो डलता है या हर लिस्टिंग में सेलर को डालना होगा?
Seller को डालना होगा सर. We will guide them. We will be guiding them how to actually, when they are creating a policy of shipping, we'll be guiding them to put them.
Okay.
The next question: how can I sell diamond on eBay? Can you?
Sir, our team will guide you after the registration. The team will be guiding you that what kind of product in which price range we have to put, and how to explain your product, what all specifications we have to put while doing the listing. So हमारी टीम आपकी पूरी हेल्प करेगी उसमें कैसे लिस्ट करना है और कौन-कौन सी प्रोडक्ट के बारे में जानकारी वहां पर शेयर करनी है.
And the next question is, how many minimum products do we need to have to sell on eBay?
We suggest to have at least 100 products. क्योंकि एटलीस्ट कोई भी बायर आए उसे ये लगे कि वो किसी बिजनेसमैन से खरीद रहे हैं, नॉट फ्रॉम अ कस्टमर.
The next question is regarding custom rule to send jewelry under courier without custom procedure.
Regarding custom rule to send jewelry under courier without custom procedure.
इसमें मैं बता देता हूँ. Let me take this, हनी जी.
Yes.
देखिए, कोरियर के थ्रू आप ज्वेलरी भेज सकते हैं, जेम्स एंड ज्वेलरी अप टू द वैल्यू ऑफ 5 लाख, लाइक अदर आइटम्स, चाहे वो कपड़ा हो या शूज हो, कुछ और आइटम हो. यू कैन सेल इट थ्रू कोरियर मोड, एंड फॉर दैट देयर इज अ clarification issued by board, Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs, on 27th of November 2020. Council is already working with various customs formations, field formations. So बहुत ही जल्दी, मतलब 1-1.5 महीने के अंदर ही एक कस्टम्स प्रोसीजर तो होगा, उसके अंदर एक कोरियर शिपिंग बिल बनता है, वो फाइल होके गुड्स जाने लगेंगे आपके कोरियर मोड के अंदर. सो कोरियर के थ्रू जाएगा, बट कस्टम प्रोसीजर होगा. कस्टम प्रोसीजर विल बी वेरी मिनिमल, फास्ट, which will save your time and cost both.
So the next question is custom duty on return items and overall cost include to get back in India.
For any product which we are getting as a return, so the custom duty should not be levied on that. Few of our customers also face, sellers also face these issues into Delhi and Mumbai, but when they approach customs and they show them that this is a return, not an import to the product of the product, then all the duties have been demolished. So वहां पर कोई ड्यूटी नहीं लगती है.
This is the last question, I guess.
सौरभ जी, मेरे ख्याल से कुछ क्वेश्चंस चैट के अंदर भी हैं. Throw some lights on certified solitaires. So can they sell certified solitaires or GIS certified solitaires on eBay?
Yes. So for example, all the renowned lab certified products are in great demand. That include GIA, IGI. So all these certification companies. So if you are putting a product like solitaire, so वहाँ पर बहुत सारे buyers, B2B buyers भी हैं. So you can do some sort of B2B business also. यहाँ पर वो loose diamonds खरीदते हैं. So if there are particular price band or particular things they wanted to buy, so they can buy from eBay. So that is a very good market over there. And just to inform you all, we already have a very good tie-up with the IGI also, and through that you can get a very competitive pricing. So we will share that competitive pricing as well with you. So just to give you an indication, for a 0.34 cent or 0.30 cent diamond, you have to pay only 300 rupees for the IGI certification. So that is, and the charges which IGI has given to our sellers is as cheap as 60% lower than the market.
In fact,
Next question.
in fact, I would like to add on to this. Haneet ji शायद भूल गए हैं.
नहीं सर, वो डायमंड था सॉलिटेयर.
जेम टेस्टिंग लेबोरेटरी जयपुर के साथ भी ईबे का एक टाई अप है जो काउंसिल की लैब है. आप उससे अपना कोई जेमस्टोन्स या डायमंड्स हो तो वो भी आप टेस्ट करा सकते हैं at a very lower price range, and that is also almost at par with the rates IGI has given.
Yes. So I didn't forget sir, मैं भूला नहीं था. वो सॉलिटेयर डायमंड पूछा था ना, then that's why.
नहीं, कोई बात नहीं हनी जी, मैंने जेमस्टोन्स के लिए मार्केटिंग कर दी.
Done, sir.
So
Okay.
the next question is, for example, I want to export silver CZ jewelry. Do I have to every time go to custom house for clearing?
नहीं सर, आपको every time you need not to go to the customs every time. The shipping partner will do that.
Can we do a good business of GIA certified solitaires on eBay?
I think Saurabh ji, this is covered.
Yes. Duties in US more than $800.
5.5%.
Total GST कितना लगता है?
3% on jewelry. 3% on jewelry, which will be refunded when you are exporting.
Yes. How to list and made on in India eBay?
Which one?
हनी जी, ये मेरे ख्याल से क्वेश्चन है ऑन माइक्रो साइट, उस पे कैसे लिस्ट करेंगे, तो वो तो वहीं से इधर
नहीं, उस पे आपको लिस्ट सेपरेटली करने की जरूरत नहीं है. As soon as you are listing your product on ebay.com, तो ऑटोमेटिकली वो प्रोडक्ट वहां से उस साइट के ऊपर भी आ जाएगा. There is a lag time of only 1 day, within 24 hours वो प्रोडक्ट उस साइट पे भी लाइव हो जाएगा.
My question is about why Indian custom to allow jewelry without paperwork as a courier.
I think ये नितिन जी have already talked about.
पेपर वर्क उसमें कुछ नहीं होगा सर. आप लोगों का जो कुरियर के थ्रू जाएगा, दैट विल बी वेरी इजी प्रोसेस. थ्रू API you can give the data to the courier company. Courier company आपके behalf पे इनवॉइस और जो डेटा आपने दिया है उसके बेसिस पे वो फाइल करेगा कोरियर शिपिंग बिल, और कोरियर शिपिंग बिल को के साथ में वो डोर टू डोर सर्विस देगा आपको. वो आपके यहाँ से ऑफिस से पिक करेगा गुड्स को, कोरियर शिपिंग बिल के साथ में गुड्स को कस्टम को प्रेजेंट करके क्लियरेंस करा के एंड वो कस्टमर के डोर स्टेप पे डिलीवर करेगा. तो इसमें कोई पेपर वर्क इन्वॉल्व नहीं है, कोई पेपर वर्क की जरूरत ही नहीं है.
अगला क्वेश्चन भी कवर हो चुका है. My question is certified solitaires are sellable item on eBay or not? This is covered. Total custom कितना लगेगा? That question is also covered. Price point for GIA certified solitaires?
Any price band, sir. That depends upon the on diamond piece, on the solitaire.
The next question: I am already a eBay seller. I am already a eBay seller. Want benefits which are given to a new seller. We are a member of GJPC.
Sir, I think if you are already a member, you must be getting all the benefits. So we are giving these benefits to the new seller so that the scarcity while starting the business can be reduced, and we can give some confidence to them that they can do the good business over here.
The next question is, so as this moment, how to send jewelry say worth $200 in courier mode without custom procedure? You already covered. Can we get this is how many GIA certificate stones and what size can be listed? Anything. This is already covered. What is considered as silver? Only above 9 to 5. You can consider silver at 9 to 5 and above also.
You can list any, but you have to mention the purity, that what is the purity of this silver article. If it is not 9 to 5, then if it is not above 900 purity, then it will not be considered as a fine jewelry. Then it will be listed into fashion jewelry.
Yes. I have listed around 30 GIA certificates on eBay. My limit has been exhausted.
Sir, we can take it separately because limit is an issue. So we can increase it basis the business potential.
you can actually reach out to your particular AM if you have. So he'll help you out to how to proceed further. So shipping partners are not doing and accepting the courier by saying it is a precious metal and it has go through custom and we have to present physically every time when you export goods from Mumbai.
No, sir, I think Nitin, yeah.
From Mumbai, courier terminal is being the gems and jewelry के लिए courier terminal जो है वो already in preparation है. That will work very soon. Till that time, you have an option of IBC, International Business Center of Post. मिले पार्ले के अंदर है, वहां से आप अपना postal bill of export फाइल करके और कस्टम क्लियर करा के गुड्स को निकाल सकते हैं. वो ज्यादा easier process है, cheaper process है and faster process है.
Do your site allows to show price breakup like metal price, making charges, diamond price, etc.?
No, sir. आपका ही प्रॉफिट कम हो जाएगा.
Sorry, please give me mail address, mobile of eBay person. That will GJBC will help you to get that. With whom I can connect with.
So all the procedures and whom to connect. Saurabh ji, मैं sorry to interrupt, but आपको किसी को भी अगर eBay के अंदर onboard होना है या कोई सवाल है आपका जो आप जानना चाहते हैं, तो in that case you can connect with your regional office, GJPC regional office person. जो भी membership देखते हैं उनसे आप बात कर सकते हैं, जो exhibitions देखते हैं उनसे आप बात कर सकते हैं. They will connect, they will give you all the information, and if required, then they will connect you with the eBay person who will give you some, if the question is technical.
Again, the question.
Again, I think the question is regarding limit. I believe for limit, please connect with your regional office, and we will connect.
For every sold item, does valuation by Jewelers Association happen?
Sir, we always recommend that if you are selling a high item, high ASP item, it should be go by a valuator only.
Okay, कुछ एक दो क्वेश्चन और है वो मैं बोलना चाहूंगा जो Q&A के अंदर आ गया. Can we claim MEIS or drawback on jewelry products? If yes, then how much is the percentage? So MEIS अभी नहीं है. MEIS is now completely shelled off. And drawback on jewelry product is available. Drawback is as per the rates notified by the customs. So all industry rate के accordingly है जो आपको मिल जाएगी. Last जुलाई 2020 के अंदर अपडेट हुई थी. उसके बेसिस पे आप ड्रॉबैक क्लेम कर सकते हैं, बट फॉर दैट यू हैव टू फाइल अ ड्रॉबैक शिपिंग बिल ऑन आइसगेट. शिपिंग पार्टनर्स बता दिया था आपको कि काफी सारे शिपिंग पार्टनर्स हैं. ऑल द बिगर कोरियर कंपनीज एंड ऑल आर द शिपिंग पार्टनर्स. GIA स्टोन्स, यस, ये लिस्ट हो जाएंगे. कौन सी साइजेस के होंगे वो भी बता दिया गया है आपको. व्हाट आर द चार्जेस फॉर द कोरियर विद कस्टम क्लियरेंस? सो दैट वाज अवेलेबल ऑन द EGS, eBay Global Shipping. So you can go to that. Once onboarded, you will get to know. Require registration in GJPC to start eBay? Yes, you have to be a member of GJPC. Only then you can be onboarded on eBay and getting the benefits what eBay is giving to the council members. Does eBay as a shipping partner pick and precious jewelry? No, eBay is not doing the shipping, but they have the partners who are doing shipping, giving shipping services to the items sold on eBay. So वो आपको information मिल जाएगी और इनफैक्ट आप अपने भी किसी चैनल के थ्रू जो आपका पार्टनर है उसके थ्रू भी आप देख सकते हैं. So there is no restriction to that. So I think more or less we have covered all the questions. And if you have any questions, any more questions, or if you are ready to explore this potential of e-com business, B2C retail exports business through e-commerce giant like eBay, so you can connect with our team, GJPC team, at your regional office, and they will help you and guide you how to get yourself onboarded. There are certain documents which you will be requiring like IC, GST number चाहिए होगा आपका और एक बैंक अकाउंट चाहिए होगा आपका. तो इन सब डॉक्यूमेंट्स के साथ में, और आपके जो फर्म के जो क्रेडेंशियल्स हैं, प्रोप्राइटरशिप है तो उसके लिए कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट चाहिए होंगे, पार्टनरशिप के लिए चाहिए होंगे, इन सब के साथ में आप रजिस्टर हो सकते हैं। इट्स अ वेरी सीमलेस प्रोसेस। ऑनलाइन आपको डॉक्यूमेंट फाइल करने होंगे, और there is a team of eBay from the eBay side as well as from the council side. We will get you connected with them, and एक बार ऑनबोर्ड होने के बाद आपको काफी बेनिफिट ये रहेगा कि दे विल हैंड होल्ड यू, किस तरह से लिस्टिंग करनी है, क्या प्राइसेस होनी चाहिए, किस तरह से आपको देखना है कि आपके जैसे सिमिलर प्रोडक्ट्स किस प्राइस बैंड्स पे लिस्ट हुए हैं, सो दैट यू गेट बेटर चांसेस ऑफ सेलिंग इट। सो इन सब क्वेश्चंस का पूरा आंसर आपको दिया जाएगा, और this is a good opportunity which you all should cash in. Aniji, you want to say something or add something? Saurabh ji?
Yeah, I just wanted to add that in starting you might feel कि थोड़ा सा स्लो चल रहा है या सेल्स नहीं आ रही हैं, बट जो फर्स्ट 3 मंथ्स हैं वो हमारा टाइम है जब हमने अपनी शॉप को एस्टेब्लिश करना है एक नई मार्केट में। तो उसमें आपको थोड़ा सा टाइम जरूर लगेगा, जहां पर हमें आपके टाइम की जरूरत होगी फॉर डूइंग डिफरेंट सॉर्ट ऑफ मार्केटिंग एक्टिविटीज, कैसे हम और ज्यादा प्रमोट कर सकते हैं अपने प्रोडक्ट को। तो जो फर्स्ट 3 मंथ्स हैं, आई थिंक ये वो वाला टाइम है जब हमने अपने आप को एस्टेब्लिश करना है। उसके बाद तो आप अपने आप ही इसको चलाना सीख जाओगे। जैसे वो होता नहीं है कि स्टार्टिंग में हम अगर कोई नया सोशल मीडिया भी स्टार्ट करते हैं, चाहे वो फेसबुक है, इंस्टाग्राम है, स्टार्टिंग में हमें समझ नहीं आता कौन सी चीज कहाँ से करनी है, बट लेटर ऑन व्हाइल यूजिंग इट तब हम उसको ज्यादा सीखते हैं। ईबे के साथ भी वैसे ही है, ये जैसे ही आप इसे यूज करना सीखोगे, आप बायर से इंटरेक्ट करोगे, बायर से बातें करोगे, बायर की क्वेरीज आएंगी, देन यू विल लर्न मोर एंड मोर व्हाइल डूइंग द बिजनेस ऑन ईबे। थैंक यू।
या तो करेक्ट हनी जी, बिल्कुल आप सही कह रहे हैं कि कुछ भी नया सीखना होता है तो एक बार हैंड होल्डिंग सपोर्ट की जरूरत होती है, और उसके वो सपोर्ट के लिए काउंसिल और ईबे की टीम आपके साथ है आपको इस जर्नी में आगे बढ़ाने के लिए। एंड अच्छी जो चीज है वो ये है कि ये जो क्वार्टर है, ये क्वार्टर में काफी सेल्स ड्राइव होती है क्रिसमस के कारण, वैलेंटाइंस डे के कारण। तो इस टाइम पे अगर आप ऑनबोर्ड होते हैं तो द चांसेस ऑफ गेटिंग सेल्स, गेटिंग कन्वर्जन्स, गुड कन्वर्जन्स इज मोर। तो ये अच्छा टाइम है, आप लोग स्टार्ट करें और कनेक्ट करें काउंसिल के टीम के साथ, काउंसिल में बात करें और ऑनबोर्ड हो जाए।
And bus last one thing that we will be helping out to you to get the better and better sales, because अगर आपको सेल आएगी तभी ईबे पैसा कमाएगा, अगर आपको सेल नहीं आएगी हमें कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा। So we are already we are running that journey along with you.
Yes.
Rightly said by Anil also that we already said that we don't have any cost of setup. The cost of the investment from your side we required, that is your time. So the major investment you have to put with eBay, that is your time initially, because when you will be giving the time for doing listings and doing everything, you'll be getting the results soon.
Okay, so thank you Hani ji, thank you Saurabh ji, thank you eBay team, and thank you, a big thank you for all the participants who have joined and given their time. And we see that all of you come and get onboarded on eBay and start your exports. Just do one thing, just go back and please click the photograph of your products, put it on eBay. It will act as a catalog, e-catalog for you, for other sales as well. So start this, and council is there and eBay team is there to help you out. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you everyone.